Hey guys, if you're trying to launch the First Descendant and it's just not loading, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you some quick and easy steps you can take to fix this issue. Now it's fairly straightforward, so let's jump straight into it. And the first thing you need to do is launch up the Steam application. And once you're inside of Steam, we need to come over to Library from the top here, and you need to locate the First Descendant from this list of games in the left, and you need to right click and come into Manage and select Browse Local Files. Then inside of this folder we need to locate the First Descendant.exe, and you're going to right click on this file and come into Properties inside of the Compatibility tab over at the top, and you need to ensure that Disable Full Screen Optimizations is checked, and also Run this program as Administrator is checked. And then press Apply and OK to save the changes, and then we're going to come out of this window. And the next thing you need to do is head over to the Start menu and search for Windows Defender, and then tap on the Windows Defender Firewall, and from the left select Allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on this Change Settings button at the top here, and then we're just going to come over to Allow another app inside of Browse, and we need to find the First Descendant application. So this is usually saved within the C drive. Inside of Program Files x86, come all the way down till you find the Steam folder, come inside of Steam, scroll all the way down till you find Steam Apps and come inside of here. Inside of Common, inside of the First Descendant folder, and you'll find this First Descendant.exe file. We just need to double click on this and click on Add to add it to the list of exceptions. And once you've added it to the list, just scroll down to find the First Descendant. It will actually be labeled in here as Bootstrap Packaged Game. And we just need to ensure that both private and public are ticked here. And then we can press OK to save these changes. And the next thing you need to do is come over to the Start menu and search for Run, and tap on this Run icon. And inside of here, we just need to search for App Data and hit Enter. Come inside of the local folder, and you should see a folder inside of here called M1. And we just need to right click on this folder, and we're going to press the trash icon to delete it. And then you can close out of this folder. And the last thing we're going to do is head over to the Steam app, come over to the top left inside of Steam, come over to Settings, head to the Downloads tab from the left here, and scroll down and press this Clear Cache button, and then just go ahead and press Confirm, and this is going to restart the Steam application and may require you to log back in. So once the Steam application's restarted itself, then we need to come into Library from the top here, find the First Descendant and right click, and come into Properties. Come into Installed Files from the left here, and then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. And this is just going to uncheck all of our files to ensure nothing's corrupt or broken. Just allow this a few seconds to complete. And once that's finished, we can then try launching the First Descendant to see if that's fixed the issue. And if that's still not working, then the very last thing we can do that would be sure to fix this issue is to right click on the First Descendant here, come into Properties, and you'll see this Launch Options inside of the General tab. Now inside of here, we just need to type in the hyphen sign and then DX11. And then once again, you can close out of here and you can try relaunching the game. Now if that still doesn't fix the issue, just come back into Properties, and we're going to change this DX11 to DX12, and once again, you can try relaunching the game. And that's it guys, by following all of these steps, you should now be able to launch the First Descendant without any problems. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.